Improvement in primary market activities is one of the parameters that help gauge the health of any capital market. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week, we talked about the launch of Analyst 2.0 investment site. Today, we want to talk about the Transcorp Hotel IPO. Transcorp Hotel, a subsidiary of Transnational Corporation of Nigeria and a foremost hospitality company based in Nigeria, has opened its initial public offering of 800,000 ordinary shares of 50 kobo each at 10 naira per share. The offer, which opens on 26 September 2014, is expected to close on 17 October 2014 after an extension was granted by the Securities and Exchange Commission, as the issuer meets the conditions set for the extension, while the proceeds of the offer will be used to develop 2 high-end hotels in major commercial cities of Lagos and Port Harcourt. The hotel in Lagos will be built on a 5,868 square meter site at 39 Glover Road, Ikoyi, with 300 rooms and suites, conference and leisure facilities, gym and spa, a swimming pool in an iconic design, with the project expected to meet the demand for a world-class luxury hotel, while the Port Harcourt Hotel will be a 250-room hotel with conference and leisure facilities built on a 10,141 square meters of land. Based on highlights from the presentation made by the Managing Director of Transcorp Hotels Plc, Mr. Valentine Osibu, the key strategic imperatives of the hospitality firm are: Transcorp Hotel aims to be the premier hospitality company in Africa, creating maximum and sustainable value for stakeholders, as well as build Africa's choice hospitality assets underpinned by excellence, entrepreneurship, and execution. Transcorp Hotel will focus on Nigeria in the first instance and thereafter develop strong African footprints in high population and competitive cities. Over the next 5 years, the company will take a phased approach in developing high-end hotels and apartments in prime locations including Ikoyi, Port Harcourt, Ikeja, Warri, and Abuja. The company has commenced the renovation of Transcorp Hilton Hotels Abuja with a view to consolidating its position as the premier hotel destination in Nigeria. The renovation will involve modernization of core facilities, for which the company will spend almost $57.5 million over the next 3 years, with the funding of the renovation expected to be sourced from the firm's cash flow from operations. The key investment considerations which are expected to gear investors towards investing in the firm are strong efficiency and profitability, consistent dividend distribution, owner of the best performing hotel asset in Nigeria, strong brands, tremendous growth potential, and portfolio diversification. Let's listen to the MD of Transcorp Hotels Plc.
The beauty about hospitality is that it connects all the dots. Whether you're an architect, whether an engineer, whether you're a builder, whether you're a cement farm. Now, we'll get into when it becomes operational. Now, to keep that going, you need all the farms to produce on a regular basis because we consume a lot. And eventually get on to the maintenance of those facilities. You need all the engineers and the painters, all of that. So hospitality kind of connects everybody and creates that means of livelihood.
The following AGMs are upcoming in the market. Access Bank PLC is expected to hold its EGM on 13 October 2014, The Entire and Rubber PLC on the 17th of October 2014, Guinness Nigeria PLC on the 13th of November 2014, and Academic Press PLC on the 16th of October 2014. The following companies have declared corporate actions. Transcorp PLC declared 1-for-2 bonus with closure date set for 7th November 2014, while Orlando PLC declared 70 kobo interim dividend with qualification date set for 17th November 2014. On announcement in the market, ETI announces 20% acquisition arrangement by Nedbank Group. Ecobank Transnational Incorporated has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that Nedbank Group Limited is to acquire a 20% shareholding in ETI. Nedbank Group will subscribe in cash for 4,512,608,890 new ETI shares for $493.4 million. ETI will repay Nedbank loans of $285 million granted to ETI in 2011 out of the subscription proceeds. In line with the agreement with ETI, Nedbank Group will be afforded the right to representation on the ETI board. The Nedbank Group has nominated its Chief Operating Officer, Graham Dempster, to join the ETI board, and ETI will exercise its reciprocal right to an appointment on the Nedbank Group board. Both board appointments are subject to regulatory approval. NSE set guidelines for Phase 1 of West African Capital Market Integration Program. The West African Capital Market Integration Program is the initiative to establish a harmonized regulatory environment for the issuance and trading of securities across the West African sub-region. The program will be rolled out in 3 phases. Phase 1, sponsored access. Phase 2, direct access by qualified West African brokers. And Phase 3, integrated West African security market. Thank you for joining us on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. I remain your regular anchor. Until I come your way again next week. Bye for now.